In an auto or transportation accident, it can change your life or the life of your family members in an instant. You're enjoying your life, and through no fault of your own, as a result of the negligence of someone else, that has changed dramatically and oftentimes permanently. You are up against large insurance companies, well-funded corporations, and it's daunting. What we find to be extremely important is to get on the case as soon as we can. You need to understand what all of your rights are, protect all of your rights, document the crash, fully investigate, and make sure that the person responsible for the crash is held responsible. We have the lawyers and the staff who are trained to do that type of investigation. We don't rely on the police department. We don't rely on the highway patrol. We also have the resources to properly retain the appropriate experts and do the appropriate investigation so that all of your rights are protected, and not let the insurance companies or the trucking companies dictate what's going to happen in the case. We dictate to them what's going to happen in the case. You're getting our collective judgment and our collective efforts. You're going to have a firm that is going to stand behind you, retain the appropriate experts, not allow the insurance companies to outspend us or outwork us, and you're going to have a resolution that is tailor-made for you and for the problem that you suffered.